What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and today we're using our rose gold foil and our foil gel from Madam Glam. I also have a few extra foils that I've had for quite some time. I got them locally at the supply shop, but you can get them on the internet too. We are using our tapered coffin, our XXL square. Hey, I think I announced the wrong tips in one of my videos. Oh my gosh, you guys. Anyways, we got Fortune Glam in the cut, which you guys already know how it do with this color. It is sexy, baby. You guys, I love this set. I love this video. I love this polish. I love this color. I love this consistency. I love Madam Glam. I love Scorpion Goddess Nails, you guys, and I love Scorpion Goddess Nails Goddess Gang in the cut. Anyways, you guys, I'm super hyped up because listen, look at how beautiful this color is. I'm just so happy. And you know what really made me super thrilled about this nail set? The fact that it was beginner friendly. It was literally so easy. So for this nail set, we're going in with our Fortune Glam, which lo and behold, you guys, a little spoiler alert, all of these nails have one coat and one coat only. That's literally all you need. By the way, you guys, if you have not already, go ahead and smash that like button because I need all the love and support that I can get. And I know you're going to like this video because if you didn't, you wouldn't be here. So don't be stingy. Smash that like button. You already know what it is. Hey, and Spam for Spam 2.0 is active. So be sure to go enter to win your opportunity. Go enter for your opportunity to win prizes, you guys. It has been a long day, but anyways, back to this nail set. So we're just gonna go in with one layer of our Fortune Glam, right? Once we do that, we're gonna give them a full cure. Then we're gonna go in with our foil gel, which we're gonna put an even, not too generous, but like a little generous, just not too thick, not too thin of our foil gel, which this foil gel by Madam Glam was exceptional. I did like it. One thing I will say, I tried to be mindful of it, but I don't think I was that mindful. Like, I don't think I was mindful enough. Just seal your ends when you use the foil gel, because I did look at like the application of the foil and it was stunning. It was nearly perfect, but I should have sealed my ends better because towards the end you could tell that it wasn't perfect, and I did not like that. But anyways, it doesn't matter because for this nail design, we are going to go for a super grungy but sexy look. Low key, I know she's probably going to freak out when she hears this. I'm not even trying to make her blush, but I keep mentioning Victoria Tori in my videos because she did this nail design and it was like and oh my gosh, I watched one of her YouTube videos and she was just talking about like, oh, there was some lace on the video and she's like that it was so sexy and la la la. And I'm like, oh my gosh, this is amazing, because low-key always want to create like super sexy nails. I remember when I first started, I had these Risqué nail stickers and they had some boobs and booty and stuff, and I did a super cute set with those. But when I felt that vibe, that sexy vibe from her, I kind of fed off of it a little tiny bit with this nail set because I was like, I'm feeling pretty animalistic. So as you guys will see, it's giving very grungy yet animalistic vibes. I almost wanted to go in with maybe like a stamping plate or something. I don't know. The nail set came out looking very plain Jane, as far as like no bling, no bulky, no hand-drawn nail art. But this foil though by Madam Glam and this Fortune Glam by Madam Glam, mixed with the animal print and the fact that, you guys, on my last foil video I accidentally made it look a little grungy, so on this one I made it look grungy on purpose, and I was like, I really like this. So anyways, I'm gonna let you guys watch the design. It's super easy, super simple. Definitely be sure to check out the blog post and the pinned comments that will go along with this video, because that way you can see all the product discount codes, blah blah blah. And also go to my blog site to check out about my giveaway. Spam for Spam 2.0 edition is active. We need more entrants so that we can actually start our giveaway, because I want to have at least 7 to 11 winners. So be sure to share and comment down below. I'm going to give you guys a little goddess gang emoji cue, and the emoji cue today is going to be a big bright, oh well, I was gonna say a big bright sun, so I'll do two. One's a big bright sun and the other one is going to be a cheetah. So comment a cheetah down below, and also a big bright sun. But let me know what you guys think of this nail set. Always be sure to comment on my blog posts when you go over and check them out. Also, if you guys rate them and you give me the feedback, then I can see what you like and what you don't like, and that's really beneficial. And I'm going to come back to show you guys the reveal in one moment. All right, you guys, and so here is the end result. And look, I told you guys that it's literally so, I don't want to say basic, but just like, oh my gosh, I never create nails this plain. But that rose gold foil is literally such a freaking look. And a little surprise, I will be putting these on with the Express-On adhesive tabs from Madam Glam. And don't judge me, you guys, I was being so lazy. I didn't want to open like multiple if I didn't have to. So some of the sizes are a little off. They're a little too small, but these tabs work really well. And I think they're perfect for like if you want to just put your press-ons on for like a photo shoot, or you know, basically I would say a photo shoot. Maybe if you do have like regular tips, not the high apex tips, but regular tips, they would give you a good wear. It is not necessarily hard to get them off, but they do stick, and it is rather impressive. But anyway, so you guys are gonna see me apply those, and then you'll see me model. And yeah, tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. I love you guys so much, and I thank you so much for tuning into yet another one of my videos. Be sure to go over to www.scorpiongoddessnails.blog and join the party over there. I love you guys. I'll talk to you on the next one. Bye.